Hello, my dear students. This is Raman Rana here, your mathematics teacher, Cambridge International School, Dasua. Today we will complete exercise 12.3, the remaining questions, that is areas related to circles. Question number 11, exercise 12.3. Diagram is given. A handkerchief is having 9 circles and it is a square shaped handkerchief, and each circle is of radius 7 centimeter. It is given. Now in this question we have to find the remaining area other than this design circles. So here all the sides are of equal length. The radius of one circle is 7. So the diameter of one circle is 14. So 14, again 14, and third one is also 14. So total length, or you can say the side of the square in this case is 14 into 3, that is 42 centimeter. Meaning thereby this hanky, square shaped hanky, each side is 42 centimeter. Now we want to find the remaining area, or here we can say the unshaded area. So the required area here, the required area is equal to the area of the square, that is 42 into 42 minus 9 times the area of one circle, because we have 9 circle, and here we will use the value of pi 22.7. So here first 42 into 42. So here 2 2s are 4, 8, again 8, 16. So here 4, 16. So here 1, 6, 7, 6, 4 minus 9 into, here we have 9 into pi 22 upon 7, and r is 7. So 7 into 7. So 1 7 with 1 7. So 9 into, that is 4, 154. So here 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, plus 3 48, 9 1s are 9, plus 4. So here answer is 14 minus 6, that is 8 here, and here we have now 15. 15 minus 8 is 7, and again we have a carry, this is 6 here. 6 minus 3 is 3. So the final answer here is 378 centimeter square. So it's a very simple question. So the area asked in the question, which is equal to the area of the complete square, the whole handkerchief, and minus area of the square minus 9 times the area of the circle. So here we have the radius of the circle is 7, and therefore the diameter of a circle is double of the radius, 14 centimeter. 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 14 plus 14. So side of the square is 42 centimeter, and this is the required area here. Question number 12 here. A quadrant is given. OACB is a quadrant with a radius 3.5 centimeter, and here given OD is 2. This OD distance is 2 centimeter given. So here we have to find the area of the quadrant O is the center of the circle, the quadrant, and second part, this shaded area here. So here we have radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter and OD is equal to 2 centimeter. So here the first part, the area of the quadrant that is OACB is equal to, that is 1 by 4 pi r square, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi 22 upon 7, and r here is 3.5 into 3.5. So here we have 7 ones are 7 and here is 0.5, or we can write it further 35 as 35 upon 10, and here this is can be written as your 0.5 upon 10 here. So we have 5 twos are 10 and 5 sevens are 35 here, and even we can multiply this 0.5 with 22, it is 11 into 7 here, and 4 into 2 is 8. I am no need to go for this 5 upon 10. I am multiplying 11 with 11, not it is 22 into 0.5, which is equal to 11 here. So we have the area of a quadrant is equal to 77 upon 8 centimeter square. So this is the answer. Near about, if we multiply it, it is near about 9.9, it's a 72, 5, 9, 8 6 is a 48, again 2 carry, 8 2 is a 16, 4 centimeter square here. So the first part, the area of this quadrant is 77 upon 8 centimeter square. Now the area of this shaded portion. So how to find this shaded area? Second part, this shaded area is equal to area of the quadrant, that is 77 upon 8 minus area of this triangle. So area of this triangle is a right angle triangle whose base and altitude are 3.5 and 2 centimeter respectively. So area of shaded area here is equal to area of the quadrant, that is 77 upon 2 minus, sorry, it is 8 here, 77 upon 8 minus area of this triangle, that is BOD. So this is a right angle triangle, its area is half into base into height. So height is 2 here. So 2 get cancelled with 2, and again 35, if we remove the decimal, 10, so it is 7 upon 2 here. So we have the calculation 77 upon 8 minus 7 upon 2 here, where we have LCM is equal to 8 here. So 77 minus here 28 here. So we have the shaded area is equal to, here 17 minus 8 is 9 here, and 6 minus 2 is 4 centimeter square. And if in a decimal form we want to write, here again 8 6 is 48, 1 is the remainder, again 8 ones are 8, then 2, 8, 2s are 16, 4 is the remainder, 40, 8 5s are 50. So, dear students, second part, the shaded area is equal to area of the quadrant minus area of this right angle triangle. So, one more thing, here the answer is complete, 77 upon 8 centimeter square, and the shaded area here is 49 upon 8 centimeter square. Question number 13. Here OABC is a square with the side OA is equal to 20 centimeter, and here we have given one quadrant with OQ as a radius, and here in this question number 13 we have to find this shaded area. So here first of all we have to find the radius of this quadrant here. So radius of this quadrant is equal to the diagonal of this square. Figure is given in the question here. So radius of this quadrant is equal to OP or OBOQ, which is the radius. So here we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. We know that OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, which is equal to 20 square plus 20 square. So here OB is equal to, taking under root, so we have 20 under root 2 here. Now the shaded area here, shaded area is equal to the area of the quadrant, that is 1 by 4 pi r square minus area of the square, that is 20 whole square. So here 1 by 4 into pi, it is given in the question, use the value of pi 3.14. So here using the value of pi 3.14, radius in this case is now 20 under root 2 into 20 under root 2 minus 400. So here it is 10 and 10. So we have 100 into 2, 200, or we can write this is into 100, under root 2 into under root 2 is 2, and here this is minus of 400. So here this is 314 into 2, 8, 2, 6, minus of 400. So here the shaded area we have 8 to 228 centimeter square. So in this question we don't have the radius of this quadrant, so we have applied Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse is OB. So OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, which is 20, 20. So 20 square plus 20 square, it is 800, and under root 800 is 20 under root 2 here. So shaded area, the required area is equal to area of the quadrant, here 1 by 4 pi r square minus the area of the square, that is 400. So putting the value of pi 3.14, we have the required area is 228 centimeter square. Question number 14 here. Two concentric circle with the radius 7 centimeter and 20 centimeter is given, and here angle is 30 degree, we have to find this shaded area. So here one radius is of 21 centimeter and R2 here is 7 centimeter. Whereas given angle AOB is 30 degree, given here that angle AOB is equal to 30 degree. So we have to find this shaded area. So here shaded area is equal to, because here we have two sectors, one with radius 7 and another with radius 21. So here theta is 30 degree, theta upon 360, pi that is 22 upon 7, and here if we are going for common, r square that is 21 whole square minus 7 whole square. So here 21 whole square is 441 minus 49 here. So we have 11 minus 9, it is 2 here. 13 minus it is 9 and 2 here. So we have 0, we can cut with 0. 3 ones are 3, it is 12 here. And again we have, it is 11 and here it is 6. So we have further calculation, the shaded area is equal to 11 upon 6 into 7, and here it is 392 here. So with 7 5s are 35, 4 is the remainder 42, 7 6 are 56. So again 3 2s are, and here we have 2 2s are 4 and is 28. So we have the calculation 11 into 28 divided by 3 here. So we have 28 that is 3. So the final answer, the shaded area is 308 upon 3 centimeter square. So dear students, here in this question, angle of the sector, both sector, that is the angle AOB is 30 degree, radius R1 is 21 centimeter, R2 is 7 centimeter. So the shaded area is the difference of the area of these two sectors. So we have taken theta upon 360 and pi common, whereas R1 square minus R2 square. So 21 square is 441 and 7 square is 49. When we subtract, it is 392, and here we are dividing 7 with 392, it is 56, and with again with 2, here it is 3 and it is 28. So 11 into 28 is equal to 308. So final answer we have 308 upon 3 centimeter square. This shaded area is equal to 308 upon 3 centimeter square. Question number 15 here. A quadrant ABC is given, in which the radius is given 14 centimeter and BC as a diameter 1 semicircle is drawn, and we have to find the shaded area here. So in the 15th question, in this quadrant ABC, radius is equal to 14 centimeter. So here first of all we have to find BC also, because the half of BC is the radius of the semicircle. So this shaded area, how to find this shaded area? This shaded area is equal to area of the semicircle minus area of this segment. So area of the segment is equal to area of sector, that is quadrant, minus area of the right angle triangle. So here BC again by Pythagoras theorem, BC is equal to 14 under root 2. When we have a right angle triangle, isosceles right angle triangle, this side is also 14, this side is also 14, then its hypotenuse is always, if this side is x here, this is x, BC is always x under root 2 here. So here, so in case of the semicircle, the radius is equal to half of it, that is 7 under root 2. Whereas this quadrant is concerned, here AC is 14 centimeter. So here first we will find the area of this segment. The area of a segment, is equal to area of a quadrant. Area of quadrant is 1 by 4 into pi, that is 22 upon 7 into r square, that is 14 into 14. This is the area of the quadrant, 1 by 4 into pi r square, minus area of the right triangle, that is half into base into height. So here we can take 14 into 14 common. Here it is 2, 11. So area of the segment is equal to, here we have again, this is 14 with 14. So here 14 into 11. If we don't want to take common, it is here 7, and we have 14 and 14. So here we have 14, that is 154, minus here 14 sevens are 98. So when we subtract here, 14 minus 8 is 6, and again 14 minus 9 is 56 centimeter square here. So we have find the area of this portion, that is segment, that is area of a quadrant minus area of right angle triangle, that is half into base into height. So here that is 14. So half into 14 into 14. So area of this segment is equal to 56 centimeter square. Now this shaded area, so shaded area here, shaded area is equal to area of a semicircle. We know area of a semicircle is pi r square half minus the area of this segment, which is 56 centimeter square. So here we have pi, that is 22 upon 7, again half is there, and r in this case is 7 under root 2 into 7 under root 2 minus of 56. So here we have under root 2 get cancelled with the 2 here, 1 7 with 1 7, and here we have 22 into 7 minus of 56. So here again it is 154 minus 56, which is further equal to that 8 and again 9, 98 centimeter square. So area of the shaded portion is 98 centimeter square. So dear students, let's recapitulate again. Here we have given this quadrant with the radius 14 centimeter, and we have to find this shaded area. To find this shaded area, we have to find the area of semicircle minus area of this segment. So we have find first the area of segment. Area of segment is equal to area of this quadrant minus area of this right angle triangle, which is 56 centimeter square. And here we have also find the BC. Half of BC is the radius of semicircle, which is 7 under root 2 here. So the shaded area is equal to area of the semicircle, that is pi r square divided by 2 minus of 56. So we have the shaded area is equal to 98 centimeter square. Question number 16. Here a square is given with the side 8 centimeter and we have to find this shaded area. So here, dear students, this question is easy one, but you have to understand the question. So here, this is the diagonal. Here we have to find the area in this way. If this is the square here and this is a diagonal here, so this is the quadrant with the radius 8 centimeter. So we have to find the area of the segment here first. The area of a segment is equal to area of the quadrant minus area of the right angle triangle, and same segment this side. So here in this question, this shaded area is twice the area of this one segment here. So here given that let ABC is a square in which the side of the square is 8 centimeter. So the required area, the required shaded area is equal to twice because we have two such segments, and area of segment is equal to area of the quadrant, that is 1 by 4 into pi, that is 22 upon 7 r square, that is 8 into 8 minus the area of right triangle, that is 8 into 8. So here we have 8 into 8, that is common, or we can go ahead with the calculation, that is 4, that is 32. Again 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So here we have this or we can take 2 into, here we have, let's complete it, 7 is the in denominator, and here 22 into 16, 22 into 16 minus of 32. So if we complete the calculation here, 16 twos are 32. So here it is 352 upon 7. When we go for LCM here, so it is 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 plus 22. So here we have 2 into, here after subtracting we got here 12 minus 4 is 8, 4 minus it is 2 here, and this is 1. So it is 128. So which is equal to 16, 5 and 2 here. 16, 4 plus 1, 5 upon 7 centimeter square. So here the shaded area is equal to 256 upon 7 centimeter square. So let's recapitulate. This is an important question and it is a very simple calculation here. We need to understand how we are doing. This shaded area is equal to twice, because we have these designs this is a segment, so same area. So here we are finding the area of one segment, that is area of the quadrant minus area of right angle triangle, and multiplying this area with 2 here, so we get the required shaded area here. So required shaded area is 256 upon 7 centimeter square. So dear students, with this we have completed the chapter number 12, that is areas related to circles. Thank you very much.